So here we are at lake number 2 for today. This is the afternoon session. Just lost one at the boat and we'll get her hooked up and ready to go again. Find your balance. Alright, let's see if we can do this without destroying my net. Well, that one ain't going anywhere. Let's see if we can get this hook out of here. Well, that was ugly, but efficient. I just have to stick around at this spot. Hope I got that. And that'll be number 6. This poor net. Not very ceremonious, sorry. But that'll be our 6 fish. Time to paddle on home. Two, three, four, five, six. Nice looking string of rainbows, I think. I think I'm just gonna let this be for today. Poor thing. Looks like it needs a new hook and everything. So we'll cut her off for the day. Wind her up. I think my fingernails are too short. I bet there's way more professional fishermen out there than me doing this. For the love of God. You would think that 4-pound test would just drop right in there. Ah, we'll leave her be. Good show, Rapala. Let's paddle on home. I did a video on this lake last year and had pretty much the same results with the same thing. Good little lake. Just my own little corner of Idaho. I don't know if you can see that bald eagle. He's been chilling out and catching some fish. There's a couple ospreys that have been diving around here, but it's always nice to get a little exercise in and get some dinner. Hey, if you want organic, go catch it. Thanks for watching.